Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make the best boiled tea in the world.
Firstly, you would need a pot and the ingredients: 2 teaspoons of tea powder, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and 10 pieces rose petals. You'd also need a boiling water.
Let's get straight to preparing.
Pour the boiling water in the pot.
Add your 2 teaspoons of tea powder.
Then add your brown sugar.
After that, add your 10 pieces of rose petals.
Let it simmer in until it boils.
Lastly, pour it into a teacup and enjoy.
Wow, it looks so good.
Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.